Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen, where we're about to take your taste buds on a roller coaster ride with a mouth-watering recipe that's simply out of this world. Today, we're whipping up a cheesy beef enchiladas dish that'll leave you craving for more. So, let's dive right in. To start, heat a large pan over medium heat and add a drizzle of oil. Here comes our star of the show, minced beef. Cook it up until it's beautifully browned. And now, the supporting cast, finely diced onions. Sauté them until they turn tender and translucent, infusing their wonderful flavor into our dish. Time to add those mushrooms. Pop them in and give everything a good stir, ensuring that all those flavors are mingling beautifully. Cover the pan and let it work its magic for about 5 minutes. Now, let's bring in the vibrant green and red bell peppers, infusing a burst of color and freshness. And to kick up the flavor, it's time for a seasoning extravaganza. Add salt, black pepper, dry coriander, thyme, paprika, and chili flakes. Mix it all together and let it simmer, covered, for an additional 5 minutes. And here comes the twist, yogurt and mayonnaise. They'll add a creamy, dreamy texture to our dish. Give it a final stir, and our filling is ready to go. But wait, the adventure isn't over yet. In a separate pan over medium heat, let's create a delectable sauce, drizzle in some more oil, throw in minced garlic, and sauté for a minute until the aroma fills the air. Then, add the tomato paste, cooking it for another minute. Now, add the star of our sauce, the tomato sauce. Season with a pinch of salt and a sprinkle of black pepper, letting it simmer and thicken for about 5 minutes. For the full list of ingredients and measurements, be sure to check the description box below. Time to assemble our enchiladas masterpiece. In a glass baking pan, spread half of the prepared sauce at the bottom, creating a saucy foundation. Grab a tortilla, sprinkle it generously with grated cheddar cheese, and generously load it up with that delightful beef mixture. Roll it up like a culinary artist and place it snugly into the saucy embrace. Now, pour the other half of that luscious sauce over the rolled tortillas, enveloping them in a rich, tomatoey hug. And what's an enchilada without cheese? Sprinkle on a generous amount of grated cheddar cheese for that irresistible gooiness. And don't forget to sprinkle a pinch of thyme for that final burst of flavor. It's time to send our creation into the fiery depths of flavor. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Slide our enchiladas into the oven and let them bake until the cheese is all melted and bubbly, creating a golden paradise of deliciousness. And there you have it, our cheesy beef enchiladas are ready to tantalize your taste buds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on our heavenly recipes. Thanks for joining us in Heaven's Kitchen, where we make every meal a culinary masterpiece. And always remember that good food brings good mood. Until next time, happy cooking.